In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gemini respond in your preferred language instantly. This is a quick, practical walkthrough that shows you the simplest way to chat in the language you want without digging through menus. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a conversation and have Gemini follow your lead, naturally and consistently. First, open Gemini in your web browser or the app, whichever you prefer. Give it a moment to load so the chat box is ready. You don't need to change any settings ahead of time, and there's nothing special to configure. The key is all in your first message. Now type your first prompt in the language you want to use. That's it. Gemini automatically detects the language of your message and replies in the same language. For example, write your greeting and question in Spanish, and you'll receive a response in Spanish. Do the same in French, Japanese, Arabic, or any other language you're comfortable with. If you have a specific preference, include it right in your message. You can ask for a particular dialect, level of formality, or writing system, like requesting formal tone in Korean or simplified characters in Chinese. The more clearly you state your preference in that first message, the better Gemini can match your needs from the start. From here, you're done. Continue the conversation as usual, and Gemini will keep replying in the language you used. If you ever want to switch, just start your next message in a different language and the model will adapt immediately. You can also ask it to translate a previous answer or to keep future responses in a new language moving forward. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. If Gemini replies in a different language than you expected, simply restate your request in your target language and mention that you'd like all replies to stay in that language. Make sure your keyboard or input method is set correctly, especially for languages with special characters, accents, or non-Latin scripts. If you care about tone or regional style, say so up front, such as asking for an informal tone, a professional voice, or a specific regional variant. To recap, open Gemini, write your first message in the language you want, and you're ready to go. It's fast, intuitive, and puts you in control of the conversation. Try it with a simple greeting, a question you're curious about, or a topic you're working on, and watch Gemini match your language seamlessly.